I recently came across a fascinating article from someone who decided to eat sweet potatoes every day for 1 month to see what would happen to her body. I had no idea this would lead me to truly one of the most incredible studies that had life-changing outcomes, which we'll have a look at in a moment. Ever since I discovered that sweet potatoes contain unique cancer-fighting proteins which appear to suppress cancer growth, particularly in leukemia, colon and tongue cancers, they've continued to go up in my estimation, and today's video is no exception. So let's have a look at this article. Jenny said, quote, "I decided to do an experiment eating sweet potatoes every day for 1 month. I ate 3 varieties, orange, purple and my absolute favourite, the Japanese sweet potato that has yellow flesh once it's cooked. Whenever I ate refined carbs like a bowl of pasta, a sandwich or pancakes, I always felt so blah afterwards. But when I ate my sweet potato, which was usually between 12 noon and 1 p.m, I experienced so much energy. I felt vibrant, clear-headed and inspired to walk my treadmill desk after eating. My hunger was satiated for hours, way longer than eating beans on a huge salad, or tofu with veggies, which were my typical lunch options before this experiment. I also found that eating sweet potatoes positively affected my mood. I just felt so happy. I looked forward to my delicious filling lunch every day, and afterwards I felt energised and pumped for the rest of the day. I typically would crave something sweet in the mid-afternoon, like fruit or some chocolate, most often to boost my mood. But with my happy feelings, I didn't feel like I needed something sweet to uplift me. My sugar cravings were definitely diminished during this month of eating sweet potatoes. I wasn't expecting that. After eating sweet potatoes every day for a month, I ended up looking leaner, especially in my face, arms, upper back and waist. Another bonus I wasn't expecting. I honestly thought I'd gain weight because so many experts say to cut carbs if you're trying to lose weight. I thought this was a great article, but it's this study that was mind-blowing. It was one of the first large-scale, real-world trials showing that just changing a staple crop to sweet potato can dramatically reduce the risk of blindness, weakened immunity, and even death, especially in children and pregnant women. It was described as one of the most revolutionary food-based health breakthroughs ever. Researchers bred orange, fleshed sweet potatoes that were packed with beta-carotene. Over 10,000 households were initially targeted in Uganda, and by 2020, over 960,000 households were reached. Over 30% of children under 5 in Africa are at risk of blindness and increased infection risks. And researchers found that consuming anywhere from 50 to 150 grams of this potato daily provided children and women with sufficient vitamin A, and that introducing these orange-fleshed sweet potato varieties were highly effective in combating this deficiency, a leading cause of childhood blindness and disease. But did you know we can make sweet potatoes up to 6 times more powerful by adding one simple thing to them? To find out more, you can click the middle of the screen now, but it will also be pinned to the top of the comments below.